Hello everyone. Today I will talk you about how I built a SaaS application for my client. If you know Mike, the freelance guy, is very well known in the freelance space on X, and he is basically creating landing pages for his clients and has a lot of guys freelancers that are learning from him. So he's very reputable and very well known guy in the space. So a few months ago, he asked me to to build a SaaS application for the freelancers. So aim of this SaaS application is to simplify everything in one place and offer a great product to freelancers so they can use it for different purposes, but everything just in one place. So this is what we did, and actually the application we have built will go live soon, and I want to just demo you to show you what is the application looking like and how it will be really beneficial, which pain points it will solve for the freelancers. So as application opens, as you can see, we have tasks, documents, shared documents, and reminders. So these are just the very bare minimum basic requirements we have created for our MVP, and we think as the time goes we can add more, of course, based on the users requirements, users needs. So what is purpose here? Basically tasks, as we know, every freelancer has tasks of that they should do for their clients. So this is basically Kanban board which will simplify your managing your tasks. So if you don't manage something, you cannot control the outcome, right? And we want to give this power to freelancers so they will be able to manage their tasks and control all over it so they can actually control the results. It's very simple, very straightforward. So you can create a task. You can give a task name. Let's say test. I will just add test task. I will add and I will choose priority. Let's say high. As I save, it will create a new task here. I can also create a kind of milestones, and as I create milestones, you will see that uh, we basically have here like sub requirements. So this is, let's say, a requirement task titles, and we have sub requirements. So we can just basically uh, basically check these marks as we finish it. Of course, we can edit again, edit the title, the description, the priority. We can delete it and all this stuff. So you can manage, the freelancers can manage their tasks very, very easily. Documents is a really interesting part because we know freelancers should create a contract between them and their uh, client. So the way to do it is through contracts, and creating contracts can be sometimes very overhead for the freelancers because you should sign the document with client, and how great it would be if you can do everything just in one place. So let's say agreement, I am calling it, and as I create it, I will have open tab for this agreement. I can include the content of the agreement here. I can sign it, and as I sign it, you can also see the reflection of it on front end. Yeah, freelancer has already signed it, and we share it with someone, with client's email address, and as client also signs it, we will get this check mark. So perfectly working. We can edit our agreement, we can delete it, we can set reminder, which is really, really beneficial, I guess, for the freelancers. Let's say you have a contract you want to sign with someone, but it's maybe a month later, maybe 2 weeks later, who knows, and maybe you want to get reminded. Yeah, for example, someone is not decided yet, but they tell you they will need it probably a month later. So what you can do, you can just create your document. Let's say it's document, and let's say I'm creating test document, and I can set a reminder, let's say for some time, and it will repeat, reminding it to me daily. And yeah, as I save it, so it will create a reminder for my document, as you can see here, and we'll actually get also a red icon here, which will remind us. Also, we can get notification. This is not activated yet, but we can get notifications through email. So basically, to remind us to contact this client. Shared documents is the documents which you have basically shared with your clients. As I said, here you can come and enter recipient's email address. This is, we only will not allow them to change contract, change the context of the contract, and you can basically set expiration time. And of course, all the basic things, as you will be a premium user to do all of these, you can manage your subscription. And yeah, this is just basically not specifically the SaaS, like SaaS future. So I will just leave it to you if you want to try it yourself to subscribe to use the freelancer tool, which will be very, very beneficial for your freelance career. So I would say this is overall the look to the SaaS application. And I will also share with you how I created this tool, so you can learn it and maybe use it for your own SaaS application. Use it to create your own SaaS application. So let me know in comments if you need help with anything related to SaaS. It can be consulting, it can be creating SaaS application. I am really, really happy to help you with all of this. Thank you very much for listening, and see you until next time.